Welcome to Tuition Near Me's webinar on how to create a multiple choice question with several answers. First, go to our Tuition Near Me EduTech platform and click on the button Login. Clicking it will bring you to the Tutors personal dashboard. There are a lot of functions here, but what you need to do here is to click on the button Create a new course. Now, go ahead and give your course a title. Once you are ready, scroll down the platform and look for the header, Course Builder. Then, I will need you to click on the button, Add a new topic. Our platform will ask you for the topic name and summary. Complete that, then after that, click the button, Add Topic. Once ready, under the same header, Course Builder, click on the button, Quiz. Next, name your quiz and give a summary. After that, click Save and Next. Now, click on Add Question. Write your question in the given space. Then, under Select your question type, choose Multiple Choice. Now, write your desired answers. Remember that you can also upload a picture to accompany your answers. Do this for the rest of the answers. Select the correct answers for this question. Then, click Add to Questions. Click the button Save and Next. And then again the same. Now, we are going to preview the quiz. Click on the button, Preview. Scroll down the page and click on the button, Enroll Now. Go back to the course creation page and click the Preview button again. Now, scroll down and click on the button Start Learning. Start the quiz. Okay, now I want you to select the correct answers. And submit the quiz. Check the score tabulation and that's it. Thanks for attending today's webinar and we look forward to seeing you again.